Transferring videos from your iPhone to your computer can be easy if you know the right methods. In this video, I'll show you 4 effective ways to do it. Let's get started. First up, Mobikin Assistant for iOS. This is an efficient tool that makes transferring videos from your iPhone to your computer simple and quick. Step 1. Go to the official Mobikin website and download the Mobikin Assistant for iOS software on your computer. Install and launch the program. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, make sure to tap "Trust this computer" on your iPhone if prompted. Step 3. The software will detect your iPhone. Select videos, choose the ones you want, then click Export. Pick a folder, and your videos will transfer to your computer quickly and without any loss in quality. Next, we have the classic method, using a USB cable. Just connect your iPhone to your computer, open the Photos or File Explorer, and drag and drop the videos you want to transfer. For cloud storage fans, iCloud is a great option. Enable iCloud Photos on your iPhone, and once your videos are uploaded, access them from iCloud.com or sync them to your computer. Finally, there's iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes, and sync your videos directly to your library. And that's it. Pick the method that suits you and transfer your videos easily.